if we could approach the new year with a spirit of trying? An intriguing question, isn't it? As we perch on the edge of another 365 days, we are not going to tiptoe into it with dread or apprehension. No, we're going to leap with an open heart and the determination to give it our best shot. Imagine if we could see the good in each other, even when it's hidden under layers of misunderstanding or disagreement. Extend a hand of kindness regardless of who's on the receiving end. Listen, truly listen, with empathy, patience, and a willingness to understand. And what if we found joy in simple things? A shared meal that fills not just our bellies but also our hearts. A helping hand extended without expectation of return. A compassionate touch that says, I see you, and you matter. In this new year, it's time to step outside our own lives and pay attention to the world around us. Notice our neighbors, the less fortunate, the lonely, and the voiceless. Yes, as we stand on the brink of a fresh chapter, it is crucial to remember those around us. We often get so engrossed in our own worlds that we forget to look beyond. But let's change that. Let's strive to be the change we wish to see in the world. It's the simple acts of kindness, like offering a smile, a piece of bread, or a listening ear, that can make all the difference. Let's not get caught in the trap of material possessions. They are fleeting distractions, a never-ending cycle of desire that leaves us wanting more. Instead, let's focus our energies on something more profound, more fulfilling. True happiness, my friends, comes from within. It comes from the warmth of connection, the power of giving, and the simple act of being present. In this new year, consider making a pact with ourselves and each other. A pact to illuminate the world with the soft glow of love, the soothing balm of compassion, and the unbreakable bond of connection. A pact to foster a world where everyone, regardless of their background or circumstances, feels seen, heard, and valued. A world where we recognize and celebrate our shared humanity. Let's strive to make this vision a reality. Let's turn our attention away from the superficial and towards the meaningful. Let's offer a comforting smile to a stranger, share our bread with the hungry, lend a listening ear to the unheard. By doing so, we not only enrich our own lives but also contribute to building a better world, a world that mirrors the beauty of our collective spirit. Happy New Year, everyone. Remember, to keep the happiness going, subscribe to the DIY Happy Hearts channel for inspiration and practical tips on living a life of purpose and joy. Best wishes, Nima.